In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to install and play Fortnite on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store. Then, in the search box, type in the game name Fortnite and search for it. After it appears, click on it. Now click on the option Install. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password or use your Face ID for the verification. After you complete this process, download process will start. It's a large file, so it might take some time. Likewise, make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once it has been downloaded, launch it. Now you will need to install it. Now you can enable or disable notifications. You can see that it's being installed. You'll need to wait until it will be fully installed in your device. Once it has been completely installed, you can launch it, provide your credentials, log into your account and use it. For a better experience, connect your controller and start playing instantly. That's it. This way you can easily install and play Fortnite on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.